Okay, in this video I'm going to go over some things you can do with this. I changed my setup around a little bit. Now, just this coil is my power coil to make the electromagnet. So that's coming to my switch. So here this powers the coil, and then that's off, disconnecting the battery. So it's on-off. And this coil is not hooked up with this one anymore. This is just a generator coil. So I'm going to go over some things to show where the energy, how the energy is flowing when we're using this. And over here now I've got two diodes hooked up to both sides here. One diode going in one direction, the other going in the other direction. Okay, so there's three main phases to this, the operation of this. The first one being when you flip the switch, connecting power to the electromagnet, and the electromagnet charges up. The second being when you turn the switch off and it's in its state of where it's some sort of perpetual or permanent magnet where you can lift the whole thing up by this. And then the third where you actually rip it off and the magnetic field collapses. The first phase where you power it up and the last phase where you rip it off and the field collapses, you can use the generator coil to extract energy off of and observe it with these LEDs. So the first phase is acting just like a transformer, basically, where you power up one winding, it's, you know, along this common piece of metal here, to its second winding, which transfers the energy, just like a transformer. And so we'll demonstrate some of that, and you can see what's going on here. Now these are two different colors. You'll see the green one when I flip the switch on, and then the red one whenever I'm collapsing the field, ripping that off. Ready? There's the green one. I turned it off. Now we're going to rip this off. There's the red one. Do it a couple more times. Now you'll notice whenever I flip the switch off, it bounces out a little bit. You'll see the red one light up just a little bit. Watch. See it? Just a hair. But it's more intense whenever I go to actually rip off the bar there. So that's where energy is flowing while this is operating. One more thing, it's interesting to note here. When I go to turn the switch on and you see the green light, here, we'll do it. See it there? I can't do that more than once because the field is already built up. So if I turn the power on again, there's, you know, the field's already there. So here, I'll turn it on. So you won't see that green light again. Do it again. You'll still see that red one bouncing back a little bit because I guess, you know, it's trying to push some energy in there, probably pushing a little bit, but not enough to actually get something flowing to where we're actually seeing the green one light up. So, I mean, it's another interesting thing to take note about it.